this week we have a workshop. It's super interesting. It's about how to design and develop a web application. So this is Jara Pascual, the founder and the CEO of the Collabwith. It's an innovation ecosystem platform to increase the collaboration for innovation. And as well, I am the author of the book Innovation and Collaboration in the Digital Era. I am going to teach the basics of what you need before you develop and when you are operating and developing. There is a lot of misunderstanding of it's super easy to do a website, it's super easy to do a platform application, but it's not. And very few platforms applications, they are successful and people are using them because all of this around the platform. And as well, it's super important to differentiate what we need and you need to develop and operate a platform and what you need to develop and operate a business, which is completely different story. And when you have a platform or an application, you have to take care of the technical side of how to operate and maintain, design, develop ongoing the application, but at the same time it has to be a complementary approach as well of the business. And we are going to discuss all of them, and we are going to see how to start if you want as an entrepreneur to design an app and you have no idea about technology, you have no idea about how to program, doesn't matter, because I am going to teach you what are the basics you have to know, even to prepare documentation for an agency or a freelance to help you to create this app. So see you this Friday, and it's only for Collabwith members. So if you are interested to learn everything we are teaching about innovation, entrepreneurship, how to develop technology, so you are very welcome to join Collabwith and as well to join the workshops, to ask all your questions on real life, and you can watch all the replays anytime, and you have access as you are member to this content. Besides everything, you can use the Collabwith platform. So if you have this super interest and you want to learn how to develop an application, how to develop a platform, please join. And if you want to have more information, everything is below, and you can as well send us an email. So see you very soon, and I am here to help you how to design and develop and operate an application and platform.